Stand up or die on your knees. A girl leaves her hat on, but she holds her right hand over her heart. Go. Day. Welcome to Tackett Adventures today. Today we are in Sanford, North Carolina. And if you, hopefully you can hear me, I got a rain case on this because it's raining really hard right now. But we're at Martin Luther King's memorial. This memorial is dedicated to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., 2010, Mayor Cornelia Olive, City Council, and the manager put it up. Property proudly donated by the Dan Cape family. And they keep it pretty well preserved with the flowers.
Is that water or vitamins? What is that?
Oh, it's for water.
Oh.
So, if you don't know, I got a little cheat sheet here. Martin Luther King was the chief spokesperson for nonviolent activism in the civil rights movement, which protested racial discrimination in federal and state laws. The campaign for a holiday in King's honor began soon after his assassination in 1968. President Ronald Reagan signed the holiday into law in 1983, and it was first observed in 3 years later. So that's pretty cool, and look at the flag above it.
The Sanford flag, see it? To the
Yeah.
Right there.
There's a Sanford flag,
Or Lee County flag.
a Lee County flag, the American flag, and the North Carolina flag, and there's Martin Luther King. And there's a quote that I want to say that Martin Luther King, it's one of my favorite quotes by him. And hold on a minute, trying to find it. We must live together as brothers or perish together as fools. Martin Luther King Jr. And that's pretty true for today. If we don't stay together and be together as one, we'll never make it out alive, basically. But they do have names on the ground, like patron members, Sanford contractors, in recognition of council member Joseph E. Martin's commitment to this memorial. City of Sanford Buildings and Grounds, General Services Department.
This is the 82nd Women's Club.
Where's that at, huh?
The patron women's club.
Okay. Patron member Sanford Women's Club, 82nd anniversary, serving others.
There's many of them. There's a couple hundred.
In honor of Reverend J.L. Morgan by the family, we must use time creatively. MLK Jr., James, and Gloria Williams. And
Landonia Church.
in honor of Sunday School 2010 to 11. From the people of St. Thomas Episcopal Church. In honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Williams Insurance Agency. The Dream Lives On, Bill Wilson, 2010. Alright, one more glance, because it's cold and it's rainy. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. and go attack the day in your neighborhood. And don't be a fool.